Hello everyone, my name is Arya J. Kutsarkar and I am a legal intern at Lexia & Company. I am also a student of 4th year BLLB at Kari College of Law, Margao, Goa, under the Goa University. Today I am going to be talking on the topic of disability, the definition of disability under the Act of Persons with Disabilities, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995. So the purpose of making this video is to spread awareness about the kinds of disabilities that are covered under this particular act, PWD Act as it is called, and who can avail the benefits from this act. So a person with disabilities means a person suffering from not less than 40% of his disability as certified by the medical authority. The Person with Disabilities Act recognizes 7 types of disabilities. So first is blindness. It refers to a condition where a person suffers from any of the following conditions: total absence of sight, visual acuity not exceeding 6160 or 201,200 in the better eye with correct lenses, limitation of the field subtending an angle of 20 degrees or worse. The second type of disability is low vision. Person with low vision means a person with impairment of visual functioning even after treatment or standard refractive correction, but who uses or is potentially capable of using vision for the planning or execution of a task with appropriate assistive devices. Third one is leprosy cured. Leprosy cured person means any person who has been cured of leprosy but is suffering from loss of sensation in hand or feet as well as loss of sensation and paresis in the eye and eyelid but with no manifestation deformity. Manifest deformity and paresis but having sufficient mobility in their hands and feet to enable them to engage in normal economic activity. Extreme physical deformity as well as advanced age which prevents him from undertaking any gainful occupation. The fourth type of disability is hearing impairment. So hearing impairment means loss of 60 decibels or more in the better ear in the conversational range of frequencies. Then the fifth kind of disability is the locomotor disability, which means that a disability of bones or joint muscles leading to substantial restriction of the movement of limbs or any form of cerebral palsy. The next disability is mental retardation. Mental retardation means a condition of arrest or incomplete development of mind of a person which is especially characterized by subnormality of intelligence. Mental illness. Mental illness means any mental disorder other than mental retardation. The National Trust for Welfare of Persons with Autism, Cerebral Palsy, Mental Retardation and Multiple Disabilities Act 1999 enumerates some more disabilities. So under this act there are 3 more disabilities added. First is autism. Autism means a condition of uneven skill development primarily affecting the communication and social abilities of a person, marked by repetitive and industrialistic behavior. The next one is cerebral palsy, which means a group of non-progressive conditions of a person characterized by abnormal motor control posture resulting from brain insult or injuries occurring in the prenatal, perinatal or infant period of development. And lastly, the multiple disabilities, which means a combination of 2 or more disabilities, is defined from clause 1 to section 2 of the PWD Act. It is worth mentioning here that the courts of India have tried to enlarge the scope of PWD Act by interpreting the provisions of the Act in those instances of disabilities which are not covered under the Act. Like for example, in the case of Union of India versus Devendra Kumar Pant, the court held a lack of color perception to be a disability. For example, color blindness is also a disability now added to the Act, even though it is neither blindness nor low vision and therefore it is not a disability under the Act, but color blindness should be added under the Act. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel Lex Click, and make sure to press the bell icon to get more notifications when you post a video. Also please give me a feedback on this video and previous videos which you can see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions related to this video or any previous videos, please post it in the comment section below. I'll reply as soon as possible. Lastly, the video doesn't solicit any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of making this video is for educational purposes only. Thank you.